make this one. He made the first one.
He does. Will be a long pitch. JC Intal lets it fly. No! And San Miguel Beer marches into the finals against Talking Tex. But take nothing away from Barangay Ginebra's courageous stand here tonight. But San Miguel not to be denied.
What a fight that Barangay Ginebra gave San Miguel. It just wasn't enough. Throughout the series, Barangay Ginebra just fell short in the big games. All the close games went the way of San Miguel, and because they were unable to finish those close games, the series went to San Miguel.
And if he's ready, boy, Arwin is collecting his thoughts and pagod na pagod, I can't imagine. Ato Agustin into his first finals as head coach. We will try to chat with him, of course. We're trying to get everybody together. Ato Agustin has had a storied career. San Sebastian, also in the Philippine Basketball League. Boy, and he's into the finals now as a head coach. And we will be chatting with Ato Agustin. Chicky Reyes is just about ready. Take it any time, Chicky.
Thank you, Seb. I'm with winning coach Ato Agustin. Tough game 6. Very physical. A lot of emotions, coach. And majority of the crowd was against you. Paano nyo na-maintain yung composure ninyo sa game na ito?
And I told my boys to focus in the game. That's yun ang pinaka-remind ko sa kanila. And it worked, no? And I think pagka ganitong close ang laban, parang kumpiyansa ako mananalo. Every time we beat Ginebra, close talaga yung laban, no? Yung 2 defeats namin talagang tambak. But now, it's a close game. Parang sabi ko mananalo kami rito dahil hindi lumayo.
Coach, 1 series down, 1 to go. But most importantly, unang finals appearance mo ito as the head coach. Ano po ang nasa isip nyo and what's the game plan versus Talking Tex?
Of course, no? Masaya ako na sa finals ako. First time ko mag-coach sa San Miguel. But hindi pa ito tapos, ano? May mission pa kami sa finals. So, we have to focus sa finals namin.
Thank you, Coach, and congratulations. I'm now with our best player of the game, Arwin Santos. Arwin, split free throws, offensive rebound, split free throws. Ano ba nasa isipan mo nung ginawa mo yung tatlong iba't ibang uri ng pagpapanalo for San Miguel?
Yun lang kasi sabi nga ng mga coaches, kinausap nila ako, lalo na itong game na to, napaka-importante sa amin. Kasi nasa amin yung pressure pagka nanalo yung Ginebra. Yun lang, binigyan nila yung tiwala sa akin ngayong game na to. Mabuti naman sa awa ng Diyos. Maganda yung pinakita ko at malaki na itulong ko sa team namin. Yun, sobrang happy ako ngayon.
Jimmy Alapag and the rest of the Chopang Texters, number 1 sila sa classification round. Unang nakakuha ng final seat. Ano ang aasahan ng fans ng San Miguel in your series? Paano nyo sila lalabanan come next weekend?
As of now, hindi pa namin alam, no? Pero alam namin, ang Talking Tex na napapanood namin games nila against Derby Ace, sobrang physical sila. Siguro, hintayin na lang namin kung ano sasabihin ng mga coaches about sa game plan nila.
Alam mo, Arwin, tough game for you, kaya bibigyan kita ng opportunity. Batiin mo na lahat ng kaibigan at fans mo.
Una, binabati ko yung mama ko, si Yvette, tsaka baby ko, sila Danica, Daniela, Jaden, at ang mga Tagael Gomez, at si Kuya, si Ate, si Beo, sa lahat ng mga tito-tita ko, para sa inyo yung laro, sana supportahan nyo San Miguel, sa mga fans ng San Miguel. Thank you, sa mga fans ng Ginebra, salamat. Kaya yun na, God bless.
Thank you, Arvin. Sir, Jason.
Thank you very much. At Juan Kapampangan, nandun sa sitwasyon na yan. Ang takal pong salamat sa inyong dalawa. At si Ato, of course, into the finals. Close games. It could be the difference, really, you know?
But that's what happened. Coach Ato had said it. We said it at the end of the game that this was a close series. In terms of wins by San Miguel, they were blown out by Barangay Ginebra the 2 times that they were beaten by Barangay Ginebra. The only problem was, the big difference was, it was a close series in their 4 wins, but Ginebra never won any of those 4 games. And Ginebra failing to execute in the end of key ball games, in the end of those close games.
Now we can look down the road. Ginebra played their hearts out, but not enough. And we now there are just two teams, and the drama continues here in the PBA. Let's break it down just a tad before our other teammates do it for us as well. Your thoughts about that upcoming series?
You look at these two teams, ultra athletic teams. People might say the two most loaded teams in terms of talent. And when you look at it, halos wala kang masasabi na lamang dun sa isa. Most conferences, they're always at the top of the eliminations, this has been a long time coming.
Absolutely.
It must be said. San Miguel versus Talk 'n Text.
Baaw, kaswerte gid sa mga taga-Negros. Oh, kamo ang first game black. Aba. And thank you, Jason, for your wonderful and incisive insights tonight, together with Chicky as well with Dominic Good. I'd like to thank our teammates also for joining us here tonight in this special presentation. San Miguel Beer has booked a date with Talk 'n Text in the finals. It's something to look forward to.